we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Even though all of us have been sitting at home most of this year, nature outside has continued with its work relentlessly, just like it does every year. Within no time, the seasons have changed from spring to autumn to now the approaching winters. The green leaves turned yellow, slowly falling down a day at a time. Taking inspiration from nature, I wanted to bring in the change from the outside to the inside. However, let's mix things up a bit. As nature goes from colorful to grey, why not bring the colors inside rather than let them fade away? Let's capture the colors in our hands and throw it around in bits and pieces everywhere.
So I did. Now I'm embarrassed, but just a little bit. Oh, there must be gold on those leaves and honey on those fingertips. Can you imagine us two?
You know, it made me realize that it is totally in our hands to keep the mood alive and fresh. Whether it is spring or winter, we can decide how we want our surroundings to be. Just like it is us who decide how we want to feel.
Give me the courage to ask for more. Oh, there must be gold on those leaves and honey on those fingertips.
A refreshed space really uplifts the mood, makes you want to work in that area even more. Often, the most used spaces of the house end up being ignored. If not, then a lot of us take little effort to improvise on what we had done in the past. So why not do it now? Now is the time to make for a functional yet beautiful space. I have a small tip here. If you can, then do invest in similar size and type of containers. They can really change the whole look. coming up with a video on some space saving and organizing tips. If you want to watch that, then please do hit the like button and let me know in the comment section.
Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love.
The blue runner, green artificial plants, and the pink flower are a few touches from my side to make this place bright. What are you doing this season to make some changes in your house? I would love to hear from you and get some new tips.